Is it hard to be fresh if you don't have money, or can you still pull it off?
See, when I ain't had no money, I still had sauce. See, if you don't got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back for another video. Today we were just kicking it in the shop, finally working on one of my own projects. We've just been kind of busy. Sorry about not recording. I know I say that in almost every video, but just been quite busy. We've had a few projects we've been working on. I have this nice show car EG single cam, super clean. We're just waiting on a harness on it. Everything else is finished, buttoned up. There was just odd and end things. The customer had started the project themselves, and you know life takes place, and they brought it to us to have us finish it. So we're just waiting on the harness. Once the harness gets here, it'll be all good to go. Been tuning cars every day. Almost every day I've had a car on the dyno that I've been tuning. Last week, I forgot to tell you guys, I might actually upload it. I took a small video of it. I'll probably upload that as well. Probably before this one, I'm not sure. We'll see. But I was at the tuning school. It's in Odessa, Florida, about an hour and a half away from where I am. It's on the coast, or close to the coast. Man, my American flag needs to be fixed. Let me go fix that real fast. So where was I? Yes, that's right, the tuning school. I went to the tuning school, took their LS course just to brush up on my ALS skills. I definitely highly recommend you guys, if you've been tuning for your whole life or a long time and you just want to learn something new, there's so much in this class. Or if you've never been tuning, you've never tuned a car at all, they break everything down. Super great class. They just went over the basics, and there's some things that I'd actually learned from the basic stuff. In the advanced part of the class, I learned a lot about using math instead of volumetric efficiency, things like that. It was just a great course. Highly recommend it. They're not paying me to say this. I'm just saying this out of the kindness of my own heart. Super cool. But anyways, today I'm gonna go ahead and break down an engine. I have a sleeved single cam. Some of you guys may know that. It came out of the red hatch. It is here. The problem we had with this engine is the pistons are too small. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the pistons out. I'm gonna go ahead and inspect the block, see what kind of condition it is, see if it needs to go out to the machine shop or not. Definitely take these pistons out and just see if they are okay. I can put them in another build, something else that's 75 millimeter. Just gonna take it out and really just see what kind of condition it's in and go from there. Sweet, so I just went ahead and pulled it out of the corner. I'm gonna go ahead and first obviously need to unbolt the transmission. That way I can put it up on the engine stand. Looks like I still got coolant and stuff here as well. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with this block. Not really sure at all. I'm definitely gonna take it out, just inspect it, see if it's good. I can see the cylinder walls here are pretty good. And also, being that the pistons are smaller than the combustion chamber, I don't really see how that would damage them at all. I'm gonna take it out though and just inspect it. These pistons, maybe I could reuse them for something else, another turbo build. Definitely can't use it here, gotta get bigger pistons. But I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take it all apart and go from there. It's like a box of chocolates. Hopefully I get something good. So cross our fingers, go ahead and bolt it, get it taken apart, and hope for the best. Bam! All right, I went ahead and got it on the stand. Got the transmission off, put it over there in the corner. I was kind of getting excited because I got the starter out and I could see through it, and I thought this was a competition clutch, but it's a good old trusty eBay. It looks like it got burnt up too. But flywheel is definitely still good, but this clutch definitely have to go in the trash. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take it outside real fast, get all the coolant out of it. Then I'll go ahead and make sure there's no oil in it. I have no idea, I do not remember. If there is, I'm just gonna drain it and get all the fluids out of it. Then we'll go ahead and turn her over and go ahead and start taking her apart and see what's inside this box of chocolate. So all the fluids are out of it. It did have oil in it, and it was royal purple. I could see when it was coming out, it was nice and purple, which is cool. It means the owner was definitely taking good care of it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and flip her on over. If you've watched any of my videos in the past, you are probably pro at this. I can't tell you how many times I've recorded myself tearing these down. You guys are probably tired of it, but we got another one. So we're gonna turn it down, break it down. so we are completely disassembled. These pistons are super, super nice. I'm gonna see if there's something I can put together so I could use these. These are really, really nice pistons. These are actually CP pistons. You can see it in there. Super, super nice. These are like $500 pistons. And they're on really, really nice eagle rods. So hopefully I can find something to use them on. If not, then they'll go online for sale. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the block. Just take it outside, get her cleaned, and make it look all nice. This sleeve block is fully disassembled. This girdle, I wanted to show you guys, he must have took it to the machine shop, whoever had the engine built, and you can see all these girdle notches are 100% perfect. I love it. Super, super dope. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the girdle back in, get the oil pan back on, and then we're finished. We're finished with this guy. I'll go ahead and set it in the office, that way it's in a nice, safe place. I'll figure out what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna probably just list it online, see if anybody wants to pay what I think it's worth. If not, I'll just keep it, and once I blow up the engine in this car, wah, wah, wah. Once I blow that up, then I might put that in it. But we'll just see what happens. Just go with the flow. My car is not even running right now, so who knows how long that would be. Just been too busy here at the shop and just trying to make stuff happen. But yep, so let me go ahead and throw that oil pan on. Yo, so it is completely disassembled. Don't know what I'm gonna do. I might put it online, I might keep it. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. But like I said, I'll probably just put it online, and if somebody offers me what I think it's worth, then I'll sell it. If they don't, then I'll keep it, make a fast car. But that's pretty much it. I went ahead and put the pistons in my car. I'll take them to the house and clean them up a little bit more. They pretty much look shiny, like on the outside, just the tops need to be cleaned a little bit more. I'll show you guys. I already put it in my trunk. Yeah, they look nice and shiny on the outside. Tops, just gotta clean them a little bit up. They're not that bad at all. But as always, guys, thank you for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe. I'll see you soon. Peace.
Is it hard to be fresh if you don't have money, or can you still pull it off?
See, when I ain't had no money, I still had sauce. See, if you don't got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.